Hey guys, today we're going to be making this really cute cat in a burger. I'll put a picture up of it somewhere. But yeah, basically I was playing this game and I saw it and I was like, hey, I really want to make that. So yeah, when I usually see like characters and cute kind of things like that, I make them out of foam. So technically this would be a DIY squishy. This is one of them that I've made before. I do have a ton of other ones, but you know, just to show you one that I've made. This particular one is inspired by another YouTuber, so yeah. But anyway, this is not a sponsored video at all, but I did get the inspiration for the design of this little guy from a game. But yeah, it's not sponsored at all, lol, I wish. But anyway, what you're going to be needing for this is you're going to need, so you're just going to be needing some foam. I just have this massive block from Spotlight, but you can use any foam that you have on you. You're also going to need some paint. With the paint, you can use acrylic paint if you like really want, or if it's the only thing that you have on you. I used acrylic paint for all of this except the milk word, but acrylic paint just makes it more hard, so I don't know, it's really up to you. But I'm using puffy paint, fabric paint, glass paint, all the paint that is like, it says it's stretchy or something on it. Use that type of paint. As you can see, these are like 3 different brands that I mainly use, so you're also going to be needing that. You're also going to need scissors and a paintbrush and stuff to paint with and glue, and I think that's about it. But if you guys need anything else in the tutorial, I'll just let you know along the way. Anyway, let's get into this video. So here it is. I think it turned out really good. There's like a little gap there, but that's okay. Don't be like me and paint the bottom. I'm probably gonna like paint the bottom, but I might not. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it came out really cute. And yeah, I do realize it's kind of messed up because it's a cat in a burger, but it looks cute. So, but yeah, yeah, I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you wanted to make it, I hope you found it helpful. But yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.